How to upload products on Samanhub.com B2B Marketplace. Step 1. Visit Samanhub.com on your browser. Step 2. If you already have a Supplier account login with your account, if you are new, then see our guide video on how to register as a supplier. Step 3. After login, click on your account. Then click on Supplier Dashboard. After clicking, scroll down where you will see Products, Options, click upon that. Step 4. After clicking upon Products, click on Add Products. Then you have to provide 3 kinds of information of your products. Number 1. Basic info, where you have to fill your product name, description, key attributes, product images, product video, category and subcategory. After filling, click Next. Number 2. Pricing and options. Here you have to fill the base price and currency of the product. For example, if you are setting the price from Nepal, then enter NPR. And if you are setting the price from India, then enter INR. After adding this, set the tier pricing, which means you can set the price according to quantity. For example, if you want to set the price 50 to 100, it's equal to 300. 101 to 300. It is equal to 280 and above 301. It's equal to 250. Or if you don't want to set, then leave this part. After that, you have to set the minimum order quantity of you products and set the unit of the products. Like if you selling rice, then set kilograms. If you are selling clothes, then set pieces. After that, if your products are customizable according to the buyer's need and order, then check upon. This product can be customized and select the options. What kinds of customization can be done? Also, you can add the customization option beside the options if your customization is not available. And also, you can add the lead time for the customization, means how much more days you will take to make that customization from order date. And if not, then you can leave that options. After that, you can add if you are ready to release the product sample. Then check the samples available for buyer's options, where you have to add the sample price and sample minimum order quantity. And if you're not sending the sample, then you can leave that options as it is. And click Next. Number 3. Policies and terms. In this sections, you have to add the policies and term of your products, where if your product is having guarantee, warranty, then check upon money-back guarantee. If not, then leave that options. Also add the return policy and refund policy of your product, which is compulsory, where if your product is not providing return or refund, write that, and if providing, then what will be the condition for providing mention that after that click upon create product, where your product is created and visible for the buyers with transparency. Step 5. If you want to create the product in bulk quantity, not manually, then click upon Import/Export, where you can import bulk product of CSV file. For that you have download the file by clicking upon Export Product and fill the details of the product in CSV file, and then import the CSV file in Import section, where your product will be directly uploaded. Note, if you are not subscribed, then you can add only 5 products. And if you are subscribed, then you can upload products according to subscription and limitation of the products provided in the packages.